y nothing.
See, I rode
Joshua
to Mexico
Rogers.
for glitter. And I found what glitter is, Jaina, in Mexico. Wait, let me get the glitter.
Yeah, mexicana. 100%.
But she looks güerita. Güerita. That's me. That's a puro mexicano. That over there, the ventana watching thing. Yeah.
Crazy Jaina.
It's me, Crazy Jaina. She's coming back.
Where's my lighter?
Hey, come here, baby. I'm gonna do things to her that farmers wouldn't do to their animals. Sick farmers that didn't have sex with anyone for years. I'm gonna do things to her that they wouldn't do to their animals. And I even like when she gets her mocos. It doesn't matter to me.
Es
And
rico.
you see how she flipped them?
Es limón
like
en oreo
It's
salsa.
Yeah. That's how she likes her
Delicious.
mocos.
Yeah.
That's the goose. Okay.
Tapatío.